if it's what's made those particular individuals successful. As a coach, how do you tend to try and think about an approach and engage that individual in terms of them looking at how to improve that behavior, because it's what's got them there in the first place? And is there a reticence to change?
Typically there is a reticence to change, especially if they're very senior and they've been very successful. Then that of course what got you here won't get you there. They don't believe that. It's like, what got me here, and I'm here. I'm already here. This is another place where the MVPI can be so valuable that I didn't mention when we were talking about the MVPI. But if a coach can plug into one of the values or several of the values, then many times that is motivation to change. So if someone is high on altruism, if the coach can say, you're going to help people so much more if you'll just quit yelling at them, or if you'll just quit micromanaging. Or if they're high on commerce, the coach can say, you'll make a lot more money, you'll really impact the bottom line if you will hurry up and make a decision, that kind of thing. You can use the MVPIs as a hook to get someone to want to change. The other thing that's very effective, and this too has to do with the strategic self-awareness, is using reputation as the lens. Not you need to change your behavior to be more effective, but you need to change your behavior to change your reputation. That you have a reputation of being a bully rather than you're acting like a complete jerk. So it's framing the coaching in a way that the coachee will relate to and then want to change the behavior to, in the long run, change their reputation.